Action.
Here is my finished product. It includes features such as a mounting hook, which allows you to mount your bike lock to the handlebars or frame of your bike, giving it ease of transportation. It has a simple and confusion-free interface. All the specialist circuitry is hidden underneath, out of harm's way, but it's also easy to access for changing the batteries. The cable used has a dual circuit, so that if one cable is cut, the bike is still secured, even that after the circuit begins to ring. The cable also has a drawstring action, meaning that you can take the slack out of the lock and keep it tight, meaning that there is no space for levering of the lock. Now for a demonstration. Switch the circuit on. Lay the cable through the box. Secure the cable. When the cable is cut, the buzzer rings and it latches on, meaning that if the two ends of the cable are put together, it continues to ring and is only deactivated by it being turned off from inside the box. That's it.